Today I'm going to show you how to replace a corrupted parking assistance sensor. It has often made this kind of warning sound too sensitively. It's been a noise to me. Why not replace it? It costs less than $10 by free shipping on eBay. When you get your bumper down, you'll notice that the sensor socket has two clips to hold the sensor. I'm using a plastic leverage and a flat screwdriver to loosen the gap in between. Let's grab it with a plier and slightly twisting it right and left and pull it out. We need to disconnect the sensor pressing down a small square clip. This one is a new sensor.
This is the reverse direction.
Now check the matching direction and put it in.
It makes a click sound. Good.
Insert the sensor into the socket. Now all set.
Good. It's almost done.
Now we need to get the bumper back up. That's all, folks. Many thanks.